Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking where contacts were stored and when they last synced. Open account settings on your phone or web for Google, iCloud, or Microsoft. Confirm the last backup timestamp and that contacts were included. Once you know the correct account, sign into the web interface so you can inspect trash or restore options. Make sure to toggle on contact sync if it was off. This prevents overwriting during restoration. If no backup exists, skip to alternate recovery methods in the next slide. Once signed in, act quickly. Google Contacts lets you undo changes or restore to a specific date within 30 days, which reinstates deleted numbers. For iCloud, go to Account Settings on iCloud. Calm and choose Restore Contacts from File Archives. Pick a snapshot before deletion. Microsoft accounts and some carriers provide a recycle bin or deleted items folder. Search there and restore. If you exported an earlier VCF or CSV, import it now. Make sure to keep after restoration. Force a manual sync on your phone and verify the recovered number appears in contacts. Check details and remove any duplicates. If the contact still isn't present, import an older VCF or CSV backup from your computer or restore from a device-level backup made by your phone system. If that fails, sign out and back into the account, clear the contacts app cache, and retry. As a final step, contact the account provider for server-side restore options and explain the exact deletion time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.